Hi friends, welcome to my channel Make It Simple. In this video I will show you how to make a pepper chicken. It's a perfect combination for rice, roti and even chappathi. To make this, in a pan add 2 teaspoons of peppercorn, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Dry roast all the 3 ingredients in a low flame for 3 minutes. Once you get a nice aroma, transfer it to the mixer jar and make a fine powder. Our pepper chicken powder is ready now. Next, in a pan, add 2 tablespoons of gingelly oil. Once the oil is hot, add 5 to 6 finely chopped garlic. Fry the garlic for a minute. And then add 1 inch finely chopped ginger, 2 red chilli, some fresh curry leaves, 7 to 8 chopped shallots. Add some salt for onion. Saute all the ingredients for 5 minutes or till the onions are slightly brown. After 5 minutes, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix it everything together and then add our chicken. Today I have taken half a kg of chicken. Add required salt for chicken. Saute the chicken in the oil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add very little water. Do not add too much of water. Here I have taken less than 1/4 cup of water. Mix it well. Cover the lid and cook for 10 more minutes. After 10 minutes, our chicken is cooked 3/4. Now we'll add our grated masala powder. Mix it together and cook for another 5 minutes. Make sure the chicken is not overcooked. If you cook the chicken for a long time, it turns too hard. Once the chicken cooked completely, garnish it with some finely chopped coriander and curry leaves. At last I am going to squeeze half a lemon juice. It's completely optional. If you don't have, you can leave it. That's it. Our tasty and simple pepper chicken is ready now. Please try this recipe at your home. If you like this recipe, subscribe our channel and click the bell icon.